welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified for all my future videos. Vamos a empezar. Today we're going to be reviewing an SXC Polygel Kit. Ew, don't mind my face in the reflection. It's a glow-in-the-dark polygel nail kit. Look at these pretty goodies. Okay, so it comes with an instruction manual, obviously, just like a quick tutorial on how to do it and quick tips. It comes with 6 different polygel kits, the first one being Scorpio. Then we have Aquarius, which is kind of like a purple color. Then we have Aries, so I'm assuming these are all zodiac signs, right? And we have Libra, which is like a yellow. Then we have Virgo, pink, like a nice pink. And then we have Taurus, which is like an orange color. Then it comes with your standard like base coat, top coat, which weren't really different from others. I think they were a little thicker, but not really any different. Comes with 2 glitters. I didn't end up using these today, but they were so pretty. I'm definitely going to use them for something else. Comes with a 100-180 file, a beautiful dual-ended brush. I loved the color. I've only seen them like black, so this is cute. Some dual forms, some nail forms, and I think these are more curved, the dual forms. And then it comes with some I'm assuming glow in the dark gems, but they didn't really glow. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my Virgo. This is the swatch for that one. It's a nice pink and it glows kind of like a white color. They glow really bright, by the way. Aquarius, and Aquarius is kind of like a very light purple. That's how it looks like straight out of the UV light, and this is how it looks like when it glows. Like, look how much it glows. These things really glow a lot. We're going in with Scorpio, which is a nice green. Look how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. And look how bright this thing glows. Like, this is crazy. This can be used like as a lamp. Like, not even lying. Taurus, which is a nice orange. It's kind of light. It doesn't look like that when you first apply it, that's for sure. But it ends up being like a very light yellow when it glows. Then we have Aries, which is a blue. And look how pretty that blue is. I'm definitely going to use this for like a winter look. Then it glows so bright. And mind you, I didn't have all the lights off. Like, my iPad was still on. Like, look how bright that is. Libra, which is a nice yellow, and it glows so bright too. Look at this. Boom. Like, look how bright that is. Love them all. I really like the different range of colors. It comes with 6 different colors, and even if you're not trying to like have these things glow, this is a perfect look for anything. So I just went ahead and prepped all my nails off camera. I went in with my base coat and I cured that for 60 seconds. So I started with Virgo, and my intention was to basically do like an ombre because I wanted to see how these glow-in-the-darks held up when they were like kind of mixed together. So, and I haven't really seen like ombres with glow-in-the-dark, so I might as well just check it out and see how it went. So I just do one big bead and drag that as much as possible towards my cuticle. That way I get like the best blend as possible. So I just did that for pretty much all of my nails, and I did pink and my other color was purple. I am curing in between beads, so keep that in mind. You don't want to mix like wet polygel with wet polygel because then you're just gonna get a murky color. So you want solids with solids. So I cured that pink, and can I just tell you how obsessed I am with these new little tips that I'm trying? They're so pretty. I'm gonna link them down below, and they have the perfect length. Like, I don't have to adjust them at all. They're the perfect stiletto tips, and I just love them. Anyhow, so I used my purple color, and then I just dragged down towards the tip of the nail, and that's pretty much how you do your ombre. If the apex isn't there, you just cure that and go back and, you know, just build that apex. That way you have like a good, nice apex. Look how pretty that looks. Like, you can definitely tell the purple is just like glowing. Alright, so you do the same thing, pink, and drag up towards the cuticle, then purple, drag it down towards the tip. So for my middle finger and my ring finger, I'm just using the yellow and the orange inside of the kit. And I'm doing the same thing, like an ombre kind of. That way you get like that nice contrast. I'm just loving, by the way, my index finger. Like, look how pretty that looks. I love how the purple and pink are just the right amount of difference. You know, like, it looks so blended. I love it. It looks so good. So I'm doing the same thing with the middle and ring finger, and it's just pretty much curing in between, dragging those beads together in a center point, and just they come out so cute. Talk about the consistencies of these. I really love the consistency of SXC Polygel. Like, it's so good. There's no stickiness whatsoever, like none at all. I just got a butterfly kit series, so let's see if that one's a little different, because I feel like colored polygels are less sticky than like glitter polygels or like jelly polygels, so we'll see how that consistency is. But this one, wow, like there was no stickiness. I used slip solution, and it was just perfect to work with. Like, I love polygels that don't irritate you when you're working with them. You know, like, it's just a smooth application. Like, that makes polygel more fun. So, and these things like really glow, like so bright. So not only did I appreciate the consistency, I also appreciate the fact that they stayed true to the color. Like, they actually glowed, you know, even after applications and even after I mixed them both. So I love the way they came out. I'm gonna let y'all watch the application process because I know it's soothing to me, so I'm just gonna assume it's soothing to you. And I'll come back with my final thoughts, okay? Alright, so look at how they glow already. I finished all of my application and I filed and buffed them, and I just saved you some time by watching that. So I went in with my top coat and I am basically just adding my glow in the dark. Well, I'm assuming they're glow in the dark. Let's see if they actually glow in the dark. But I'm applying them on all of my fingers, and basically the colors that I use in my middle and ring finger I am using for my thumb, my index, and my pinky because I want it to be like a contrast. So I applied all of those and they're so cute, and I appreciate that there's like so many different sizes. You know, there was like really big ones, and there was like medium ones, and there was like smaller ones, and there was like really small ones. So they have like a different variety of colors, so I really appreciated that. And I think they came out so cute. It didn't take me that long either, so that was a good thing. And like I said, the application process was so smooth. Like, I loved how easy this polygel was to use. So we cured everything, and look how they're already glowing out of the lamp. Like, they came out so cute and they stayed true to their color, y'all. Like, even with an ombre, the tips are a different color than where the cuticle area is. Like, I love this polygel kit so much. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, nos vemos en la próxima.